Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Today we start the fourth lecture of science or class 2. In the previous lecture number 3, we start the chapter number 3, uses of plants. We read some uses of plants in the lecture 3 about food. We get different types of the food from the plants. We use the plants for eating. We eat some parts of the plant. We eat the roots of some plants, we eat the fruit, we get stem, leaves, flowers, we get seeds from some flowers and use as our food. We get spices, we get coffee, we get chocolate, we make the sugar from the different types of the plants. Today we discuss about the other uses of plants. The next use, the next benefit which we get from the plants is the fibers. There are different plants from which we get different types of the fibers and make different things. You can see here that is a cotton plant. We get the cotton from the cotton plant and use it to make the different types of the clothes. Here you can see the jute plant. We get the jute plant and jute from the jute plant and use it to make the rope. Different types of the ropes are made from jute plant. The third, you can see the coconut plant. We get the different parts of the coconut plant and use these parts to make the bags. The next use is we also get some types of the medicines from the plants. For example, you can see here is the mint plant. Mint is used to treat stomach ache. The next basil, that is also called miasbo. It is used to treat cough and cold. You use this plant when you feeling cough and cold and this plant treat you. Next you can see the neem plant. Neem plant is used in different things. You can see here is a toothpaste and soap. The neem juice is used in these products which is the benefit of this neem plant. Neem plant are used in some toothpaste and soaps. Neem helps in killing germs. These things are used to kill the germs. That's why neem plant is used in some of these products. The next benefit which we get from the plants is the perfumes. We also get perfumes from some plants. We use the flowers of these plants and make perfume from these plants. For example, you can see here rose flowers and jasmine flowers. We get the flowers of rose and jasmine and make perfume from these plants. And these perfumes are used for good smell. Henna leaves are used powder and used as a dye, mostly to color hair and women's hands. These are another benefit which we get from the plants. The next benefit which we get from the plants is the paper, rubber or gum. There are also different types of the plants from which we get all these things. For example, you can see here the first type of the plant, that is the bamboo plant. What we are making from the bamboo plant? We can make the paper by using the bamboo plant. You know that the paper is made from the wood. So the bamboo plant is the one plant that you can use to make the paper. The next type is rubber plant, from which you can see tires are making. We get the rubber plant from the rubber tree and make the tires from it. The next you can see the gum plant, the gum which we use to stick some things. The gum is also get from the gum plant. There is a plant from which we get the gum. These are the very important uses of the plants. The next, the very important thing which we get from the plants is the wood. You know that wood is get from the plants, wooden products, and we use these wood to make the different types of the material. For example, wooden chair. Wooden chair is made from the wood. You can see the boat. Boat is also made from the wood. Guitar, in this also wooden is used. And the houses, some houses are those which are entirely made of the wood. And we also use wood to make the different parts of the houses. There are also many other things which we can make from the wood. For example, furniture, pencils, boards, boxes, bags, cards, musical instruments and many other things. And the important use of the wood is also used as a fuel. We use the wood for burning. The next is the other uses. We also get different types of the flowers from the plants, and we use these flowers as a bouquet, and this bouquet we use to give anyone. And there are also many other uses of the plants. Plants are used as hedges in gardens around other houses. Plants are also used for decoration. Many flowers are arranged into bouquet and given as gift. There are so many uses of the plants as you read in this chapter. Here you can see the coconut plant on page number 21. Do you know? Here you can see the coconut plant. There are so many benefits of the coconut plant. There are different things which we can get from the coconut plant. You can see here rope. We make the rope by using its different parts. We can make the mat. We get the coconut fruit which we use in different purposes. We also get the oil from the coconut plant, and we use some its parts, and we make the broom from this plant. These are the different uses of the coconut tree. There are also many other uses of the plants. Plants help in giving us clean air to breathe. They give us shade. You know that they help in keeping the surroundings cool. Trees also help us get rain. These are the other environmental uses of the plants we get from the plants. These are the different uses of the plants which we read in this chapter. I hope so you understand this. When you open the book page 20, you see here, now you know, in the form of fill in the blanks. The number 1 is we use clove as a dash in our food. In the last lecture, we read about this. Clove is used as a spice. S-P-I-C-E, spice. Number 2, we get chocolate from dash seeds. Cacao, C-A-C-A-O. Number 3, we get dash from flowers like rose and jasmine. Perfumes, P-E-R-F-U-M-E-S, perfumes. When you open the book page 22, here the exercises has been started. The exercise part A, fill the blanks with the correct option. Number 1 is dash help to make our food tasty. Here are 2 options, cereals or spices. We think we use to make our food tasty. The correct answer is spices. S-P-I-C-E-S, spices. Number 2, dash is used to treat cough and cold. Options are rose and mint. Mint is the right option. Number 3, henna is used as a dash. Dye your food. Dye. Number 4, we get rubber from the dash of rubber tree. Leaves or juices. Juice is the right option. Give us clean dash to breathe. Air or water. Air. Number 6, jasmine plants are used for making furniture or perfume. We get perfume from the jasmine plant. Perfume is the correct option. Now exercise part B. Match the followings. In the column A, there are different types of the plants. In the column B, the parts which we eat. Column A, plants are number 1 beet, number 2 sugarcane, number 3 coriander, number 4 apple, number 5 cauliflower, number 6 groundnut. The part we eat: A flower, B fruit, C seeds, D leaves, E stem and F fruit. We have to match the plants with the parts which we eat. Number 1 is beet. What is the beet plant? Which part we eat the beet plant? Root. We have to match the number 1 with the F. Number 2, sugarcane. We get the stem from sugarcane. We eat the stem of the sugarcane plant. We have to match the number 2 with the E, stem. Number 3, coriander. We eat the leaves of coriander plant. Match the number 3 with D. Number 4, apple. All of you are familiar. Apple is a fruit. Number 5, cauliflower. Cauliflower, we get the flowers of cauliflower and eat them. Number 6, groundnut. we use the seeds of groundnut plant. We made the 6 with the C. Next exercise part C. Answer these questions in short. Question number 1 is, which part of the carrot plant do we eat? Roots. We eat the roots of carrot plant. Question number 2. From which part of the plants do we get oil? From seeds. Number 3. From which plant do we get chocolate? From cacao seeds. 23. Question number 4. How is the neem plant important to us? Answer is, it helps in killing germs. Question number 5. Name 2 flowers from which perfumes are made. Rose and jasmine. Question number 6. Name 1 plant from which we make paper. Bamboo plant. Number 7. Name any 3 uses of coconut plant. We eat, we get the fruit, we get oil, we make bloom from the coconut plant. These are the different uses of plants. Yes students, our chapter number 3 uses of plants has completed. We have completed all these things related to chapter number 3. Now there is a homework for you. Read chapter number 3, book page 19 to 21 and learn the solving activities and exercises. This chapter has completed. The second thing which you have to do, you have to draw different things which we make from the wood. You know that we make different types of the things by using wood. You have to draw some of these things which we make from the wood. Take care of yourself, students. Allah Hafiz.